Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the state mutability concept in solidity smart contract. So there are two types of state mutability: the view functions and the pure functions. First, see the view functions. View functions can be declared in which they promise not to modify the state, and the pure functions can be declared for pure in which they promise not to read or modify the state. Okay, if you can't understand the concept, don't worry, I'm going to demonstrate you. Let's create a contract. Solidity smart contract state mutability .sol. Let's copy two lines. Now create a contract with the name state mutability demo. Okay. Now create a state variable test storage and define it with 3. Let's create a function test view public view returns uint and return test storage, basically return. Okay. So it's compiled successfully. It means we can return the state variable from inside the view function. Okay, now create another function view not access public view returns uint then return test storage. Okay, before returning it, let's increment it with the test storage plus 1 and compile it here. Now you can see the error. Sorry. Okay, now you can see the error here. It says that, okay, sorry. Okay, now you see the error correctly. Function cannot be declared as view because the expression potentially modified the state. We are modifying the state as we see earlier that view function can only able to return the state variable, cannot modify it, just return it. If we are creating any function where we want to just return the state variable, so we will use the view keyword. Okay, now see the other keyword, that is pure test pure public pure returns uint return 1. As I compile it, it's compiled, pure function is compiled successfully. So basically the pure function will only return, cannot return the state variable and cannot also modify the state variable. It will only return the local variables. And now create another function, test pure not access. Now public view returns uint, and now return test storage, that is state variable. Sorry, we have to do it pure. Okay, now we have to see the error here. Okay, yes, you can see the error here. Oh, sorry. Mm, okay, now you can see the error here. Function declared as pure, but this expression potentially reads from the environment or state and thus required view. So it clearly said that we have to use view here instead of pure, because we are returning the state variable. So that is the basic difference between the pure and the view functions. Pure functions cannot return the state variable, whereas view functions can return the state variable. Also, the pure functions cannot modify the state variable, and also the view functions cannot modify the state variables. So these are the difference between the pure and the view. Let's just remove the errors and just compile it and deploy it just to see what it shows. As we can see, the test pure, it returns the 1, test storage, it returns 3, test view, as we know that a getter function created against each state variable. That's why we can see test storage. Hope you understand it. Let me know in the comments if you didn't understand it. I will try to make another video on it if you like it. Thank you.